Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make butter at home food fusion step by step. Start by pouring heavy cream into a jar or bowl, then begin whisking or shaking steadily until it thickens, passes whipped cream stage, and separates into butter fat and buttermilk. Keep your tools and hands slightly chilled and strain the solids from the liquid. Rinse the butter under cold water, then knead with salt if desired and shape it for storage. In this video, I will explain how to make butter at home food fusion step by step. Choose your churning method based on time and equipment. Electric mixer for steady results, jar shaking for a tactile experience, or food processor for speed. Monitor the change from soft peaks to grainy curds so you stop at the right time. Once separated, collect the butter solids and reserve the buttermilk for baking or smoothies. In this video, I will review how to make butter at home food fusion step by step. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for setting kitchen timers, streaming tunes while you churn, and adding a bit of fun to cooking. It fits neatly on a counter and works with voice commands, which makes multitasking easier. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to make butter at home food fusion step by step. After rinsing, knead the butter with salt or mix in chopped herbs, citrus zest, or spices for a fusion twist. Pack the butter into molds, logs, or ramekins, then seal tightly to prevent odors. Label with date and store in the fridge for daily use or freeze small portions for longer preservation and easy thawing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.